Hello, folks. Recently, I received 3 different chargers as a gift to the channel. And I was told that if there were ones that I didn't need, I should donate them to the thrift store at the senior center. By the way, lots of thank yous for the folks, wonderful folks at the Mountain Home Idaho Senior Center. But see, I came up with an ethical quandary. I have one that doesn't actually work. And there's no reason to donate it to the thrift store. If somebody bought it, they would be disappointed when they found out it doesn't work. It's a donation, so that's perfectly fine by me. There's no offense there. But I do actually have a use for it. I went looking for information on it, and it's an interesting type. It's a gallium nitride charger, which is a little different than the other kinds of chargers that are really common. Well, it turns out that there aren't any teardown videos, and there's almost none. There, in fact, doesn't appear to be anything on YouTube, just TikTok. So I decided to take this one and see if I can pop it apart and do a little teardown video. So here's what the face of it looks like. Here's this part. Let me see if I can just try and get it so it's readable in the camera. It's kind of hard to see, right? This is what it looks like on the end. You can see a little USB-C port there, female, and then a male USB-C that is retracted in there. I'm doing all this while I hold the phone. And it's got a little magnet-operated little charger plug that will stretch out quite a ways. And it's pretty nice. Looks kind of cool, right? Nice little retractable setup. It's kind of interesting. It's got a closed-down plug-in. And it's one of those infuriating cases that is not designed to be taken apart. This is not a right to repair friendly device at all. I'm guessing from my many teardowns as a child and as an adult of different kinds of equipment that the way this works is everything's mounted to this thing except for whatever's mounted right in there, right? And by the look of it, maybe it looks flush mounted, right? We see the light in there. You can see how it doesn't come over the lip. So maybe everything is mounted to this black part, including this deal here and the little deal down below there. And that this green thing has these infuriating little teeth, little snap teeth. And all you do is you take this little little green outer casing and you push it down and snap it, and the machine does it. And probably make bazillions of these things really fast. It's the way they do it. It's a really fast, efficient way to manufacture something, and unfortunately it is an absolute beast to get apart without breaking it, and oftentimes they'll glue it as well. So my thought is that this is going to be really challenging to take apart. I only have the cell phone facing camera working. The other one has material smeared on it, some paint that I got on my finger and got on the camera, so it ruined it. So it's really hard to set it up to film. Wait until my next video, and hopefully that will work.